Hi friends, in this episode we will see about some more terminologies starting with letter A. ASTM International, formerly known as AS American Society for Testing and Materials. It is an international standards organization that develops and publishes voluntary consensus technical standards for a wide range of materials, products, systems and services. ASTM standards are crucial in evaluating the material, chemical, mechanical, and metallurgical properties of metals. ASTM standard is required for all type of industries like World Health Organization and European Union. It plays a vital role throughout the world for running a industry. Then we can see about the absolute pressure. The total pressure equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure or 14.7 psi or plus 1 bar or plus 1 kg per centimeter squared at sea level. When you work in a plant, the pressure shown in the gauge is a gauge pressure. But if you want to know the absolute pressure, you have to add 1 bar or 1 kg per centimeter squared or 1 atmosphere pressure or 14.1 psi to be added to that gauge pressure. That is called absolute pressure. Then we'll come to know see air fuel ratio. Air fuel ratio is very important for all type of furnace and boiler. The ratio of air weight to fuel weight consumed in an internal combustion in an engine or furnace. This is called air fuel ratio. It varies depends on the type of fuels, solid fuel or liquid fuel or gaseous fuel in furnaces and in boiler. So air fuel ratio plays a vital role in IC engine also. Air fuel ratio will give the proper firing and mileage for the vehicle. So they play a very important role in day-to-day life as well as in industrial life. Then we'll see about next terminology ash. Ash or ashes are the solid remnants of fires. Specifically refers to all non-aqueous, non-gaseous residues that remains after something burns, mainly for solid fuel. This ash. If coal is selected for solid fuel, the coal will be having some ash content in by naturally itself. So ash content will come along with the coal formation. So that is also one type of ash. And the fuels after firing the remnants also will turn into ash. Then now we will come to see another important terminology, acid numbers. A measure of the amount of potassium hydroxide needed to neutralize all or part of the acidity of a petroleum product. Also specified as neutralization number Nn or value number value Nv and total acid number RTAN. It is normally in petroleum products, mainly for petrol also it is there. The KOH is used to neutralize the petroleum product, that is called acid numbers. Then additive, a chemical substance which when blended with petroleum product has the effect of improving one or more of its properties or performance characteristics. It's also additive also used in petroleum products. Also gasoline or petrol, also additive is added to improve the quality of the petrol. That is called additive. Then we will see about the another important terminology used in gas field. AGR, acid gas removal unit, is based on the impurities, mainly hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide gases, along with the feed gas. And the requirements of acid gases, H2 and CO2 from the natural gas will be removed by using carbonate absorption system, where hot potassium carbonate is promoted with diethanolamine DEA as solvent, and the remaining acid gases are removed in an amine absorption system using DEA as a solvent. That is in two-stage absorption. First it will be removed using potassium carbonate. Slight amount of NDA is also there. Then it will be followed by another column using only DEA as solvent to remove the H2S and CO2. The DEA system remove acid gases to produce the required sweet gas specification, which will be less than 5 ppm volume H2S and 50 ppm volume CO2. In some cases, only DEA only is used large quantity, that is MDEA, methyl diethanolamine is used for removing H2S and CO2. This is also used in acid gas removal unit. This potassium carbonate and DEA can be regenerated in the regeneration tower. So AGRU, which plays a vital role in LNG plant, and feed gas coming from the petroleum products or well will be sent to AGRU first after removing the moisture contained in some separators. So the feed gas AGRU unit will remove the H2S and CO2 and sweeten the sour gas. Then it will be admitted to the fractionation section. This is the main unit normally in all the LNG production plant. Before going to the slide, do not forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Put your comment and like in comment box. Now we can see the another important terminology used in industries, furnace, IC engine, atomization. Atomization refers to breaking bonds in some substances to obtain its constituent atoms in gas phase. It involves the formation of powder from molten metal using a spray of either gas or liquid. That is in metal industry. Molten metal is sprayed to the gun, and either gas or liquid is used to atomize the molten metal to small droplet. It will be cooled and it will become powder. In liquid firing, liquid jet is broken into more or less fine droplets of same diameter to get complete combustion. That is, liquid fuel is used for furnace or in boilers like LSHS or air fuel or HFO. It is to be atomized by using air or steam, and a third method called pressurized atomization methods. That is, if it is a pressurized atomization or a mechanical atomization, the liquid itself is admitted at high pressure, and that will be you admitted through nozzle. It will become small droplets. It will be get atomized. Air also can be used, and steam also can be used. So by using air or steam, we can make it small droplets that will avoid localized firing or jet-like flow of liquid fuels through the gun. So if steam or air is used to atomize the liquid fuel, we get small droplets, and that will give complete and effective combustion in the furnace. This is a schematic diagram of the burner nozzle. Liquid fuel is admitted here, and air or steam is admitted through this no hole. It will break the liquid at the tip of the nozzle. It will become small droplets, which will be sprayed inside the furnace, where it will burn effectively and completely. No oil spillage will be there when atomization is there, or if atomization is not proper or it is not used, localized firing, it is jet like flow of liquid fuel will be there, and that will fall into the furnace and give localized firing. So to avoid that, atomization is there, used with the steam or air in a furnace, and the metal to see to make it fine powder. Atomization is done. Hope you might have understand the atomization terminology used in boilers and in furnace and metal industries. Do not forget to subscribe or share with your friends and colleagues. Put your questions and comments and likes in the comment box. See you with other terminology starting in B in the next episode. Thank you very much.